Hi first grade friends, we're just going to go through a quick tutorial of how to get onto Clever to use Seesaw. So here we're on the district's homepage and we're going to go down to Library. We'll click on Clever and then you'll get to a page where we sign in. I've been signed in, so I've been working away. Here we see Mayan, Seesaw, Imagine Learning, and access to Zearn. So Imagine Learning is for ELA, Zearn is for math. Mayan, we can listen to stories as well as turn that part off and read them ourselves. I'm going to click on Seesaw. It's going to bring me to and I have to click on our first grade page. And the first thing that we can do is we can post our work. So if you want to be on Seesaw and take a photo, we click the photo button. Hi friends! We can save that if we want to. We can also click on video and take a video. There's recording buttons that we can click on and then save it. Or we can upload work that we already have that's saved on our computer or our tablet or our smartphone. Okay. And the other important part that I want to show you is assignments. So here we have an activities tab. So you'll click on that and you'll see that there are reading passages that have already been assigned to the kids. So you could play instructions.
Record yourself reading.
Okay, so then you would click on Add Response. Go in here, click on Microphone. It'll count down, and then you would go ahead and start recording. And you do your best to tap out the words if you needed to. Otherwise, just read the words. I want to hear how you're practicing your reading. When you're done, you're going to click Done. And then the check mark, and then it'll save it. So I'll get to listen to how your reading is coming along. If your families have any questions, please dojo me, message me on Seesaw, I'm on Facebook, or you can text me. Have a great day, friends.